Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you some good stuff that you're going to use, like a natural strength, a natural thing that you're just going to take, and it's just going to help you as a woman to tighten yourself, like down there, okay? And it gives you strength as a man, okay? So it is basically very good, and it's also very simple. It's something you know already, so combining them together to take this, it's what makes it effective, okay? So let me walk you through into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up to my YouTube channel, subscribe and share the video, and let's go. Alright guys, this is actually going to really help you. If you're a man, if you're a woman, it's actually going to help you, get into the mood. So I'm actually not going to spell all of the words out, obviously, because of some reasons, but you should understand what I mean by it's going to help you really stand strong, really wanting. Yeah, so the first ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be groundnuts, and here I have raw uncooked groundnuts. So basically you're going to be needing a raw and uncooked groundnuts. You don't need, if you're going to fry your groundnut or you're going to roast it, it's not going to work for this ingredient. You have to use a raw and groundnuts. Yeah, so here I have it, and now I'll have to first of all be washing it. So you have to wash the groundnuts. If you're buying it in a place where I bought mine, in an open market, you have to wash it first to sanitize it and remove all of the dust. Give me the blender. Now after which you've washed, then you would have to be getting a blender, and then you have to be putting the raw groundnut into the blender. And then you'd have to blend this, okay? But before I blend this, I'll have to be showing you other ingredients. Now also you're going to be needing dates. Now you can Google dates in online and see the real importance of dates, because it actually leave you as a woman wanting your partner. Yeah, it's actually a very good remedy for your strength as a man. So basically putting dates, mixing dates with groundnuts is just what you need for that strength that you need, okay? So you have to get a date that has seed. Your date has to get some seed, okay? So what you do is that you'd have to prepare this date by removing the seed. Okay, so after which you've prepared your dates, you have to make sure that you get enough dates for this, okay? Okay, so after I prepared the dates, I had to wash it, okay? And then have to put it into the blender just like this. And then also we're also going to be needing honey, which I'm actually going to be putting it later. Using honey for this is perfect. Have you actually tried using honey plus garlic every morning, it gives you that really strength, that manly and womanly desire. Yeah, so that's why we need honey. I'm not going to be putting it right now. What I'm going to be putting right now is milk. So I'll have to get my powdered milk, pour in some good amount of water, and then stir it. Okay, now after stirring this, and then I'll have to pour it into the blender. Now milk is actually very important for your body because it gives you the protein that you need and it gives you that strength. Okay, so this is really important. Now I'll have to pour it into this, and if that is not enough, then I'll have to be putting more water, and then I'll go blend this out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the blended groundnuts, raw groundnut, and then I'll have to be turning that into the cup. Okay, after turning that into this cup, then we'll have to be putting in the honey. Okay, then you have to then shake it. Okay, this actually is just what you need, guys. You just need to take this every morning or whenever you want to get in contact, you just take this. All right, so you take this every time and you can just mix it all up. Okay, and then the honey mix inside the granules and blend really well. Okay, so you take this whenever you want to get in contact, and it's going to help you for a woman and for also a man, and it's really perfect. It's really good. Okay, all right guys, so that's it. It tastes really good and I'm loving it. Okay, and I love dates because it helps me so much. It helps me get into the mood, and it's so good. And granules raw one, perfect. So use this and you're gonna be loving it. It's just gonna answer it for you. Yeah, so that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll come your way again. Bye guys, and